Well, the weather today is not that good. I can tell. It's snowy, the wind is blowing, and it's not looking good at all.
What are you doing?
And my battery is very low, so I'll probably have to charge it, and I will vlog a little bit later on. I don't know if you can hear me because I don't have a wind guard on or anything, but you may or may not hear me. But we're in like a blizzard tap. Actually, no, not a blizzard, but it kind of snowed very heavily. And I'm like out here shoveling. The snowplow, the sidewalk plow already came through, and there's some cars. And it's pretty messy. There's some cars off, but not that much. And then all we have to do is get basically several hour steps in whatever the sidewalk plow when the plow are in. Wind is blowing heavily. And then I'll show you the back too. Well, I can tell we didn't even get that much. But I don't think we were supposed to get that much snow anyways. But it doesn't seem that long. Because I'm like walking around like, no. But other than right here, you get the wind. It's like a snowdrift, but other than that, we didn't really get that much. So, but I don't think we were supposed to get that much snow anyways. But it's like cold up here, so I'm going back in because I'm done shoveling. Because I shoveled my steps and my next door neighbor steps. So, yes. And I think it's about to change over to rain in the next few hours or so. So, it probably will get a lot more slippery. And it will probably freeze over since it's like cold. So yeah, I'm going back inside. You know, man, our door, cause it has stopped, and our door is like messed up now. This is what our storm. This is what the storm did.
Well, every time we messed up,
Well, we're already broken, but it got broken even more now. What do you think?
just take it off.
And we still need to shovel more.
You
But-
take it off.
And that's him again. Let's close the door. So, yes, it was sloppy, rainy, cold there. I didn't really do, we didn't even go out. This one didn't even go out into the snow. Okay, but we didn't even get that much snow.
We only got like 6 inches.
No, we barely got 6 inches.
No, that's a shovel back there.
Hi, Mom.
Hi. They had to be too. No.
Sorry for our messy house in the toilet. Awkward. Blame him. He caused all of the mess around here.
Hi, Ethan.
Hi, Ethan.
No, in the cold, like they say like YouTube land or something, or ITV land, or like.
Yes. One of these days, I probably will do a. No, I won't do a house tour because our house is not very nice looking. So, yes. Hopefully. And this probably will be the end of it, so. Bye.